In the fiercely competitive world of action camera business, GoPro is about to release its much-anticipated Hero 13. Users are talking passionately about possible specs, wish lists, and expectations, so there's a lot of anticipation. With formidable rivals like DJI and Insta360 vying for consumer attention, GoPro faces the daunting task of not only addressing long-standing issues, but also introducing innovative features to maintain its edge and customer loyalty. Let's delve into the anticipated features, speculated release date, and circulating rumors surrounding the GoPro Hero 13. Prepare to witness a paradigm shift in action photography with the imminent arrival of the GoPro Hero 13, set to redefine the landscape with an array of captivating features. Setting the bar high for video quality, it promises stunning visuals with 8K video recording capabilities at 30 frames per second and a remarkable 4K video capture at 120 frames per second. Capture brilliance in every shot with an upgraded resolution of up to 27 megapixels, ensuring your photos radiate clarity and detail. Seamlessly navigate your device with the convenience of voice control, empowering you to capture moments effortlessly, even on the move. With each passing year, GoPro introduces a fresh iteration of its acclaimed high hyper smooth stabilization technology, and the upcoming launch of the GoPro Hero 13 Black is expected to unveil the next evolution, likely titled Hyper Smooth 7.0. The current rendition Hyper Smooth 60 pushes boundaries with its cutting-edge features like auto boost and horizon leveling, which remains steadfast even during complete 360-degree rotations. This remarkable capability is facilitated by the Linear Plus Horizon Lock digital lens, setting a new standard for stability and ensuring that every shot is impeccably smooth and level. In the midst of the AI frenzy, Google made waves by unveiling its enhanced Pixel 8 series, showcasing an array of upgraded AI functionalities. Not to be outdone, Samsung stepped into the ring with its Galaxy S24 lineup, touting its own brand of AI innovation under the banner of Galaxy AI, complete with a suite of impressive AI capabilities. Within the community of GoPro enthusiasts, there's a collective desire for significant improvements, particularly in low-light performance, an area where competitors like DJI and Insta360 have made strides. Users are vocal about their longing for a GoPro Hero 13, equipped with a smoother, lag-free interface, aiming for a more intuitive user experience devoid of frustration. Adding to the intrigue is an intriguing concept: the potential development of a specialized version tailored specifically for motorcycle riders. This specialized iteration could feature a unique side or end camera lens configuration tailored for effortless helmet mounting, catering directly to the needs and preferences of motorcycle enthusiasts. Following the unveiling of the GP1 processor in 2017 and its successor, the GP2, in 2021, there's speculation brewing about the potential arrival of the GP3 in approximately a year's time. This next-generation processor could potentially serve as the powerhouse, driving the anticipated GoPro Hero 13 Black, building on the company's established pattern of innovation and advancement. According to discussions on Reddit, it suggested that GoPro might opt to withhold GPS functionality once again for the Hero 13, reserving it for a later release, possibly the Hero 13 Plus. This strategic move could allow GoPro to offer distinct models with varying features, maximizing its product lineup and catering to different consumer needs and preferences. Moreover, the Reddit post hinted at a potential shift in GoPro's future product offerings, suggesting that stabilization might no longer be a standard feature. Instead, users could be required to pay an additional fee for this functionality, signaling a possible transition towards a more modular approach. This speculative vision even extends to the notion that after a decade, GoPro cameras might primarily consist of a lens and battery, with users selecting and paying for each additional feature they desire, marking a significant evolution in the company's product strategy and business model. Users and industry pundits have voiced an extensive wish list encompassing a range of desires and expectations for the next GoPro release. These include a heightened capability for low-light capture to surpass rival offerings, a steadfast commitment to maintaining the 8:7 aspect ratio, and the possibility of elevating resolution to 8K to unlock new dimensions in post-production versatility. Furthermore, there's a clamor for the integration of a camera as dash cam feature, particularly when the device is tethered to an external power source, catering to the practical needs of users on the move. Beyond addressing existing concerns, there's a clear call for a multifunctional mount solution, combining features like fingers, quarter 20, and magnetic mounts into a unified design, streamlining the user experience and enhancing versatility. With the release of the Hero 12 Black priced at $399.99, GoPro deviated from its previous pricing strategy, offering a $100 reduction compared to its predecessor, the Hero 11 Black, which retailed at $499.99. Anticipations are rife that this trend of affordability will persist with the Hero 13. As anticipation builds for the GoPro Hero 13, enthusiasts are left in suspense regarding its exact release date. Speculation within the industry points towards a potential unveiling in September 2024, in line with GoPro's customary annual release pattern. Despite this, there remains a notable absence of official announcements or leaks, divulging specifics about the launch date or the camera's features.